I want to look from a different angle this evening. At that clinic put on by French club Paris Saint-Germain, PSG, at Old Trafford in the first leg of the knockout stage Champions League game against Manchester United. As me said, it was an all-round clinic. Passing, movement, possession, pace. PSG played almost the perfect game without their Brazilian superstar, Neymar. And my suspicion is that if Neymar was in that team, all of the fluency would have been compromised by Neymar's selfishness, petulance, and brattishness. In other words, I think PSG looked a better team without Neymar. And not only should PSG take note, but Brazil should also pay close attention. And look, me not clown to football. Neymar is a brilliant individual talent and a very skillful player, but his attitude and on-field immaturity have derailed the effectiveness of his play to the extent where it is conceivable that Neymar has now become more of a liability than an asset to both PSG and the Brazil national team. I personally have lost faith in Neymar as a player and as a leader because of his diving and the play acting and the girlish behavior. And because of this, his influence and value to his teams will continue to get less and less and less. Unfortunately, Neymar seems headed towards securing a legacy of another talented football underachiever who became a diving diva.